Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Safelists for affiliate marketing, leads and sales. And I'm going to show you the safe list that I'm using. I'm going to email 300,000 prospects in the next couple of minutes. And then at the end, I'm going to show you some proof of the leads and the sales. I'm in Hercules and I'm going to email 195,000 members. I'm going to send out a free offer to the majority of these, and that's a great way to start building your list. So I just click submit ad. Majority of these include tier one traffic and buyers, and I'm going to go to my lead gen secret. My lead gen secret is where you get 100 to 200 leads daily, and I've currently got now over, if I just click on here, select all, I've got over 70,000 leads in here. So this is going to populate my leads here. Let's have a look. Select all. 71,600 leads. All of these sites auto-populate, so they save all your previous messages. This is very easy and beginner friendly, and this is going to go out. These are all tier one leads within my lead gen secret, and I'm going to go on there and send email. You can email once a day within my lead gen secret. Get a little timer here that clicks 23 hours. The next one, we're going to go into proactive mailer. Proactive mailer is a great mailer because it only offer only goes out to active members, and I'm going to click send there, and that's gone on proactive mailer. Just need to verify my lead capture page here within a couple of seconds. Confirm the site. Next one I'm going to go into is global safe lists. Apart from my lead gen secret, all of these are free to join. There'll be a link in the description where you can join these today for free. This one's going out to 10,000 members. I started out for free with all these, and I reinvested commissions to upgrade. Click send for global safe list, and that's gone out. And Pangea is, you can send out to, this has got 127,000 members, and you can email out here to 23,000 members at a time. I'm going to go into group 5. You'll see there it's the same one, how to get leads 3 times faster. Click send email ad, and that's going to go out in the queue to be mailed. Click here to go to the members area, excuse me. Now I'm going to go to my Gmail inbox, and I'm promoting a product there called Lead Skimmer. So I'll just show you the leads that come through on my Gmail Lead Skimmer account. And what happens when you give something away for free within a safe list, it's a great way to build your own list. So I recommend you use a lead capture page. If you want to use the one that I use, I'll put a link in the description. It's by Leads Lead, but Lead Skimmer have got their own lead capture page, and you'll see here you've got some consistency of leads, and a lot of these have come from safe lists. I do advertise in traffic exchanges as well, and I do some YouTube videos. But you see here the consistency of the leads coming through, and the commissions. When you give something away for free, if it's got an upgrade option, then you'll see here, if I just get my little pencil, how you'll see here with Lead Skimmer. Let's have a look here, just scroll down here. You'll see Lead Skimmer, this one here. So free members there have upgraded to $150 in earned commission. So that's just proof that what I'm showing you there actually works. If you've enjoyed the video today, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. I'd really appreciate that. That helps support me on my YouTube journey. And please click subscribe and the bell icon for my new videos. I do new content every single week, and I've now got over 470 videos on the channel. So you'll see here all the different videos that I've got on there. So I'll put some links in the description for you to join these mailers for free. And thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. Sorry, my lead gen secret is not for free. That is a monthly income, but the rest are free to join. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this short video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.